And welcome back to the video of this channel. So today we'll be solving a problem which is two keys keyword LeetCode 650 problem. So let's understand the problem. So problem is saying that if there is only one character A on the screen on a key notepad, you can perform one of the two operation on the notepad. For each step, you can copy all the characters present on the screen, means control A to copy all the characters, and we can't copy the partial elements. And second step is we can paste. You can paste the characters which are copied last time. So given an integer n, return the minimum number of operations to get the character A exactly n number of times on the screen. So we have two operations. Either I can copy all the elements, I can't copy the partial elements. And second operation is paste operation. We can paste the copied element. So let's understand the by using the example. If n equals to 3, it means we have to print a three times, a three times. So initially we have a. So in first what we'll do, we'll copy the element a. So it will take one operation. Then we will paste it. Then it will be a. So for pasting purpose, it will be again one operation, and then again I'll paste. So it will be a. So total number of operations that we will take is three operations. You can see. Firstly, we have initially we have a. Then we will copy all operations. This will take step 1, and step 2 we use the paste operation to get a, and third step is we use paste operation to get a three times, because already we have copied the a, so no need to copy again. So total number of steps is 3, so that's why we will return 3 here. If n equals to 1, then total number of steps will be 0, because already we have a, so no need to do anything. So in that we'll use 0 operation. So let's understand the approach for this problem. So now you know how all things are going on. Like if n equals to 3, so total number of operation will be 3. So you can see now if n equals to 9, so for making n equals to 9, what we will do, we will firstly we have a, so we will copy a, then it will be a, then again we will paste it, then it will be 3 times a. Now we can copy this whole element a, then we can paste it 2 times. Like if I paste it, then it will be 6 times a, then again if I paste it, it will be 9 times a. So how things are going on, firstly we are copying it, so it will take one operation, then we are pasting it, again one operation, then we are pasting it, again one operation, then we are copying this whole string. We can say it's a string, so we are copying this whole string, then it will take one operation, then we are pasting it 2 times, so it will take 2 operations. So total number of operations are these one. You can add up and finding out the answer. If n equals to 4, so for making n equals to 4, what we can do is we can first copy and paste. It will take 2 operations, 1 plus 1. Then we can copy this whole string and we can paste it. Then again it will take 2 operations. So total number of operations will be 4. So let's see how things are going on. If let's imagine we have a number 24. So the factors of 24 can be 6. Multiple of 24 can be 6, 4, 3 or 2. There are many multiples, but we have to find out the minimum number of operations. So if we have multiple 6, it means we have 6 A's. So we can copy 4 times, or we can paste 4 times to make 24. Then we have total 6 A's here. Now again we have a choice, like the total multiple of 6 is can be 2 or 3. So we have a choice. So I told you many times, so if we have a choice, then we can use recursion in that case, and for optimal case we can use a DP. So you can see it's a tree approach. We have a choices, we have multiple choices. Either I can use 6. If I use 6, then we have a multiple 2 or 3. If I use 4, then we are using 4 A's, then we can paste the all 4 A's 6 times. So for pasting out, it will take another operations, and I am not talking about that. But finally what we are doing is we are just finding out the whole tree, like we are just finding out the whole array, like whatever it what is the multiple of that particular number. So you can see if I am taking 6, then we are finding out the multiple of 6. If I am taking 4, we will find out the multiple of 4. If I am taking 3, then we will find out the multiple of 3. So it is something like this. If we have a different or a multiple options, so can we use DP? Yes, we can use DP here. So let's do the code for this, and by doing the code I'll tell you the approach for this problem. So now let's create a DP. DP of size, how many size? It's a 1005, so we can take 1002. Now DP of 0. If we have 0 element, if n equals to 0, if n equals to 0, so no need to do anything, it will be 0. If n equals to 1, sorry, if n equals to 1, if n equals to 1, so total number of operation also will be 0, because we have already one element, one a is there, so no need to do anything. If n equals to 2, n equals to 2, so we have initially a, so we will copy that a and we will paste it, so total number of steps is 2. And if n equals to 3, then total number of steps you can see here, it's equal 3. Now what we will do, we will apply a loop for int I equals to 4 to I less than equals to, and then I plus plus. Now we have applied a loop, so it means it is showing like if I equals to 24, so we are finding out all the multiples. So how we will find out? We will firstly, multiple of 24 can be 24 also. So dp of I equals to I, initially I am taking multiple of 24 equals to 24, but the multiple of 24 can be 6, 4, 3 or 2. So for that, for finding out that, I am applying another loop which is int j equals to 2 to j less than I and j plus plus. I have applied another loop and I will check like if I modulo j equals to 0. If I modulo j equals to 0, it means j I मान लो 24 है and j is 6. So I modulo j कितना आ रहा है? 24 modulo 6. So remainder will be 0. So it's a true condition. So what I will do? Firstly, I will divide it. So let's do it. So it will be dp of I equals to minimum of dp of I, comma dp of I upon j, I upon j plus j. Now I will tell you why I am adding j here. So I modulo, if I equals to 24 and j equals to 6, so I divided by j, I divided by j will give me 4. So we have to paste it 4 times. You can see we have to paste it 4 times, and again we are finding out the multiples of 6 also. So j equals to 6 here, dp of I upon j will be 4, and dp of 4 plus 6, it will be dp of 4 plus 6. Now now after this, what we will do, we can simply return our dp of n. Let's run and see is this will work or not. Yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit it. Yeah, you can see it is working perfect. Now again, let's understand how things are going on. So basically, by using this loop, what we are doing is, if we have a number 24, so we are firstly imagining, or we are, let's say, we are saying like dp of I equals to I, like multiple of 24 is 24 initially, that will happen in all case. Now we are finding out by this loop, we are finding out all the multiples. If there are multiple choices like 6, 4, 3, 2, so we are finding out all those things, and we are finding out the minimum number of steps. So for that, dp of I equals to minimum of dp of I, comma dp of I upon j plus j, because dp of I upon j will be 4. So it means we have to paste 4 a's 6 times. It means we have to paste 4 a's 6 times. So that's why we are adding j here, because j is 6 and dp of I upon j will give me 4. So we have to paste 4 a's 6 times. That will make 4 into 6, that will be 24. So that's why we are adding j here. So this was the code, and if you find this helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. So, bye, and we'll see you next week.